Am I audible? Please confirm. Hello and welcome to the orientation session of Management Accounting in your ACCA knowledge level. Let's start with the very basic of this orientation session. In this orientation session, we will need to know everything that you should know about your Management Accounting examination. Let's start with the very brief description about myself. I am CMA Shobhit Paroha and I am going to take MA and FA for your knowledge level examination and APM for your professional level examination. I am a qualified chartered accountant and cost management accountant. I have cleared my both CA and CMA in 2024. I have cleared my CMA intern and final in first attempt with all the exams in one sitting. Along with this, I am also a faculty for CA and CMA accounting and costing. So this is the very basic brief description about myself. Now let's know what is this subject about, what this subject needs to be known, and what are the objective of this subject, and how the syllabus is divided between sub parts of this categorization. So this subject, that is management accountant, has a very basic objective to make you know about the how to manage finance within the organization. What is the basic objective is to make the you understand how to manage finance within the organization. So most of the information which you need within the organization is to be extracted from management accounting with the aim of enhancing business performance, supporting business planning and controlling and monitoring performance. So management decisions are need to be derived from this management accounting information. This will include both financial and non-financial information. So this is the very basic objective of your subject. Now, the syllabus of this subject is divided into 6 parts. The syllabus of this subject is divided into 6 parts. Part A, that is the nature, source and purpose of management information. So in part A, we will understand why do we need management information, why do we need management accounting, what is the very purpose of this information, and what are the nature and sources of the information. So we will understand from where we should get the data to use for making information. Along with this, in part B, we will understand data analysis and statistical techniques. So in part A, we will understand from where to get the data, and in part B, we will understand how to use this data through data analytics and statistical techniques. Then comes part C, where we will understand cost accounting techniques. So we will understand what are the techniques that we should know, that are material, related to materials, labor and other overheads. So we will understand all these things in this part C. Then comes part D, which is related to the budgeting, like how budget is created, what are the factors to be considered while making budget, and other information related to budget. So in part D, we will understand budgeting. So let's understand one again. Part A, B will be about the data and how to prepare data. Then comes part C, where we will understand cost accounting techniques to be used for making information about the material, labor and overheads. Then comes part D. So using information extracted in part C, we will make budget in part D of the syllabus. After making budget, we will check it in standard costing. So in standard costing, we will use all the formulas and methods for analyzing our budgeting. Then comes last but not the least, performance management. After doing everything, we will measure our performance based on the budget. So your syllabus has been divided into 6 parts, part A to part F, where we will understand all the concepts related to the management accounting. Management accounting is a combination of cost accounting and management accounting. So it is a combination of both. There is also financial accounting, which has a separate exam in your knowledge level, that is FA, financial accounting. So in management accounting, we will understand cost accounting and management accounting. So this is the very summary of your syllabus. Now comes how this subject, that is MA, is related with the other subject of ACCA. So your management accounting in knowledge level, is highly related with the performance management in skill level, and also related to the advanced performance management in professional level. So I am going to teach you both MA in knowledge level and APM in professional level. So it is related with all the subject in knowledge level, skill level and professional level. So each subject has been related with each other. So if you make the base about management accounting in knowledge level, it will be used in skill level and same will be used in professional level. Now comes the very most important part of this orientation session, that is how the examination is going to be conducted, what is the format of exam and how the marks are allotted and what is the format of exam paper. Let's understand the basic format of exam paper. Your ACCA MA paper, or you can say all the exams in your knowledge level, are on demand exams. They are all on demand exam. Means whenever you feel like prepared, you can book your examination and can appear within the week. Suppose if you feel like you are prepared right now, so you can book your exam and can be prepared and can appear in within a week. Your exam will be of 100 marks. Your examination will be of 100 marks and time allowed will be 2 hours. So the total marks in your examination is 100 marks, and time allowed is 2 hours. All the questions in your examination are going to be compulsory. All the questions will be compulsory. So you don't have any choice to skip the question or select other question. All the questions which will be asked in your ACCA examination are going to be compulsory. Along with this, your examination will be divided into two sections, section A and section B. Your examination is going to be divided into two parts, section A and section B. Section A will deal with objective test question. Section A will deal with objective test question. How many test question will be there? 35. So there will be 35 objective test question of 2 marks each. That will make the total of 70 marks, because 35 question will be there of 2 marks is, so 70 marks will be in section A. Then comes section B. Section B will have 3 multitask question of 10 marks each. Section B will have 3 multitask question with 10 marks each, making it total of 30, and that will make grand total of 100. So this is how your examination is going to be conducted, where there will be two sections, section A and section B. Section A will have 35 questions of 2 marks each, which are going to be independent of each other. So if question 1 is there, question 2 and question 3 is there, they all are not related to each other. So either you can do any question. Suppose if you are not able to solve question 1, so it will not impact on your question number 2 or question number 3, because they are independent to each other. Then comes section B, where there will be 3 multitask question of 10 marks each. So there will be a one big question which will have sub categorization of question which you need to answer based on that one big question. I'll just make you see how the exam will be done. In section B, MTQ will example mostly about budgeting, costing, performance management, measurement section of the syllabus. So this section D, section E and section F will be mostly asked in your section B. Will be mostly asked, not always, but mostly asked in your section B of the examination. Okay. How the exam is going to be conducted? You don't have to write your answers in answer sheet or paper. It will completely on a computer based system. This exam is based on computer based examination, where you will have to enter every answer in the computer. Okay. Now let's see how the examination looks like. So this is the specimen of your MA accounting paper. You will have 2 hours to solve it. Your paper will be divided in section A, section B. Section A will have 35 questions of 2 marks, making it to the total of 70. And section B will have 3 questions of 10 marks each, making it to a total of 30 and a total of 100. There will be no option. All the questions are going to be compulsory. So all the questions are mandatory for you to solve. And paper will contain formula sheet, present value and annuity table. So you don't have to refer any other table for present value factor and annuity factor. They all will become the part of your paper only. Section A will have 35 questions. Section A will have 35 questions of 2 marks each. And both on all these questions, suppose question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 are going to be independent of each other. So they are not related to each other. So if you are not able to solve question number 1, you can still solve question number 2 because they are not related with each other. So this is a good point where you can skip one question if you are not able to solve it. So this is how section A will be given in your examination. So you will have 35 question. Here comes the 34th and 35 question. After 35 question of section A, you will have section B. You will have section B. Section B will cover 3 questions. Section B will have 3 questions of 10 marks each. So suppose question number 1 of 10 marks will have subcategorization of question, will have sub question, that is question number A. Question number A is of 5 marks. Question number A is of 5 marks. Then question number B is of 3 marks. Then comes question number C of 2 marks. So 5 plus 3 plus 2 is equals to 10. That makes to the total of 10 marks. So each question will be of 10 marks. But this question number A is from this big question. Question number A is from this big question. Also question number B is also from that one big question. So you need to understand this question to be able to solve all the subcategorization of question which will be asked in that big question. So question 1 will have A, B and C categorization of question based on the information given in question number 1. Same goes for question number 2, where you need to solve other subcategorization of question. Question 2 A, question 2 B, question 2 C, making it to a total of 10 marks. And same goes for question number 3. Okay, so this is how your examination paper will look like. So this is the very basic specimen of your MA exam, like how it is going to be conducted and how the sections are divided. After this, we will discuss what are the passing percentage of MA examination. So based on the past attempt, we have made this information for you to understand how is the passing percentage is there. This passing percentage is only for MA, not for knowledge level. This passing percentage is only for MA exams, not for entire knowledge level. So in June 23, the passing percentage was 63%. In December 23, the passing percentage was 68%. In June 24, the passing percentage was again 68%. In December 24, passing percentage was 67%. And in last attempt, that is June 25, the passing percentage was 64%. December 25 result is still awaited, so we don't have the information yet. So based on this information, you can make assumption that the average passing percentage in MA exams is around 65%, which is quite good enough, because 65% is a good passing percentage for you. So you can easily pass this subject and you can easily score very good marks in this subject. This subject is very important to understand the PM and APM in your skill and knowledge level. So this is the very good passing percentage if you look and compare it with the other courses. Now comes to the another important part, that is batch offering. So what we are going to offer to you in this batch? We are going to offer you soft copy of the colorful notes. We are going to offer you soft copy of the colorful notes, so you don't have to refer any other material like other reference material available in the market. You can use our material only to prepare for the examination. Our colorful notes will look like something like this. This is the chapter 1 management information notes, where we have used colors to differentiate between the information. Suppose the headings will be in black color, the content will be in blue color, and we have referred all the materials like ACCA study hub, APPP and Kaplan. So you don't have to refer any other material. We have incorporated all these things in our class notes. We have also made highlighted the important parts. Suppose these red part are most important part in your answer, because ACCA has asked multiple questions from this one. So we have highlighted it to red so that you can retain it and understand and have a more focused approach towards the examination. So we have made notes like this only so that it will be easy for you to score good marks in your examination. So we will provide you colorful notes and soft copy of the colorful notes. Sir, when will the notes will be provided? Notes will be provided along with the lectures. So every time lectures will be uploaded, notes will also get uploaded along with them. Along with colorful notes, we are also going to provide you soft copy of the question bank. So we have prepared a question bank which has covered ACCA Study Hub, BPP and Kaplan. So you don't have to refer question from other material also. We have covered all three materials in our question bank. If you solve our question bank, you will be able to score very good marks in your ACCA examination. So we are going to provide you colorful notes and question bank of the MA Accounting examination. Along with this, additionally, we are going to provide you soft copy of the board notes. Now, what is board notes? So whatever I solve in the class, whatever I write in the class will also be provided to you on the same time so that you can refer it later. You don't have to write in your notebook. You can refer our board notes only and you can prepare for the examination. So you are going to be provided with the colorful notes, question bank and board notes. After all this material, we will also provide you 4 block test. We will also provide you 4 block test, that is being evaluated by me only. There will be 4 tests of chapter wise, subject wise and section wise, which will be evaluated by me also, so that I can give you the honest feedback and the suggestion to how to improve in your main examination. Along with block test, we will also have 2 full mock tests. We will also have 2 full syllabus mock tests, which will also be get evaluated by the faculty, that is me. So I'll evaluate your block test and full test so that you will be prepared much before your actual examination. After this, the other information regarding the batches are all the lectures will be uploaded on each Friday. Every Friday, lectures will be uploaded on the app. Lectures will cover concept plus question solving. So the lecture which will be provided to you will cover the concept plus question solving. Sir, are you going to solve each and every question in your lectures? No, I am not going to solve each and every question, but what I am going to do is I am going to solve question which will make you able to solve other questions. Suppose if a chapter has 20 questions, so I will solve 10 out of them and give 10 to you homework. So 10 question I will solve, 10 question you will solve at your home at your ease. After solving that question, we will have weekly live query session. Where we will discuss and solve your queries related to the homework. So your classes will be uploaded on every Friday. We will solve question along with concept in your classes and will give homework of the same and will discuss the homework and doubts in the weekly live query session. The first 3 classes of this batch is going to be live on YouTube. After that, it will be available on your enrolled app. So this is the very basic orientation of your management accounting. So we have discussed how the examination is going to be, what are the syllabus of your exams, and how your MA is related with the skill level and professional level. Also, we have discussed the passing percentage and what are we going to offer in your batch. So we are going to offer you colorful notes, question bank, board notes, for block test and 2 full mock tests. So this is the orientation for your management accounting. If you have any doubt, you can ask us in the chat only and I'll solve them right now. Okay, so let's conclude by summarizing the orientation session. So what we have discussed, that we are going to give you colored notes, question bank and board notes, that too in a soft copy. Also we will have 4 block tests, 2 full mock tests, and we will have weekly live session for queries. So in this batch we are going to offer you all these things. And about the examination, your MA examination will be of 100 marks. Time allowed will be 2 hours. Examination will be divided in 2 parts, section A and section B. Section A will have 35 questions of 2 marks each, that will make the total of 70 marks. Section B will have 3 questions of 10 marks, making it to a total of 30 marks, which will eventually turn into the total marks of 100. So this is how your examination is going to be. Your exam is a computer based exam, so you don't have to write answer on a pen or paper format. Exam is on demand examination, so you can anytime prepare for it, and if you feel like prepared, you can register for the same. So this is the basic information that you should know about your management accounting examination. So as of now, you don't have any doubt. I'll end this orientation, and if you have any doubt, you can just comment on it and I'll be able to reply you. And if you have any other doubt, you can contact us on the given description on my WhatsApp number and my Telegram channel. So let's start with the next class in upcoming days on the YouTube. The 3 classes will be available on YouTube and the rest will be available on the app. Okay, thank you.